Hey, it's MannyMan. Today I will show you how to make a line trace that you can use for your weapons, for interacting, and all sorts of things in your game. Let's get right into it. I will just open my third-person character and find a place where I have some room. Here I will search for the left mouse button event because I want to make a line trace whenever I press it. That's why I drag of the press pin and search for line trace by channel. I will just get my camera and search for Get World Location, which will be the starting point for our line trace. Next, you need the Get Base Aim Rotation node, so we know where the player is looking at. It's replicated, by the way. But we also need to get the forward vector. Let's also multiply it, because it only has a length of 1. And just right-click on this pin to convert it into a float. Here I will type in 1000, so the line trace is 10 meters long. And I will add it with the camera location, so the vector basically starts from there, pointing 10 meters from the camera to where the player is looking at. This is our end vector. Also set the debug type to for duration, so you can actually see the line trace. Let's also break the hit result and create a print string where we hook it up with the hit actor. This will print the name of any actor we hit with our line trace. But to make your line traces actually detect enemies or other stuff in your game, you have to make sure that the collision settings are correct. For my enemy, I select the mesh, scroll down the details tab until I find the collision settings. I will just change that to custom. Now I can set the visibility trace response to block, which is the same trace channel we use on our line trace function. When I now hit play and press my left mouse button, it will shoot line traces and also prints the enemy on the screen. Thank you for watching. It's your boy, MannyMan.